Alright, here's the script. Intro, upbeat music, and Rome Tips logo animation. Host *. Hey everyone, and welcome back to RomeTips.com. Today we're tackling a really quick and easy one: how to change the keyboard layout on your Apple TV.
*** visual. Screen recording of Apple TV home screen, ***.
Host *, when you're searching for movies, typing in your passwords, or even using some of the apps, you inevitably have to deal with the on-screen keyboard. And sometimes, the default layout just isn't working for you. Maybe you prefer a different language, or a different keyboard style. Visual, quick shots of different apps where keyboard is used, e.g., Netflix search bar, password field in settings. Host *. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the keyboard layout on your Apple TV in just a few simple steps. It's super straightforward, so let's get right to it.
***, visual. Back to the Apple TV home screen, ***.
Host * first, we need to head into the Settings menu. So scroll over to Settings and select it. Visual, mouse cursor highlighting and clicking on the Settings icon. Host * now, scroll down until you find General and click on that. Visual, scrolling down and highlighting / clicking on General.
***, host. ***, OK. Almost there.
In the General settings, look for Languages, and click on that too. Visual, scrolling through General settings and highlighting / clicking Languages. Host * now you see Keyboard Layout. Select Keyboard Layout. Visual, highlighting / selecting Keyboard Layout. Host * here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of available keyboard layouts. Apple TV will usually suggest layouts based on your preferred languages, but you can explore the full list. Visual, list of keyboard layouts is shown. Mouse cursor hovering over different options.
***.
Host * simply select the layout you want to use. For example, maybe you want to switch to QWERTY for a more familiar typing experience, or choose a layout for another language.
Just click on the one you want. ***, visual. Mouse cursor select à différents keyboard layout, e.g., QWERTY. ***.
Host * and that's it. The change is instant. Now when you bring up the keyboard on your Apple TV, it will be using the layout you just selected. Visual shows the Apple TV keyboard with a newly selected layout being displayed.
***.
Host * you can easily come back to this menu and change it again whenever you like. Visual returns to the keyboard layout settings screen.
***.
Host * C.
Super easy, right?
Visual, back to the host on camera, or a screen recording showing the Rome Tips logo. Host * so, that's how you change the keyboard layout on your Apple TV. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to RomeTips.com for more quick and helpful tips on all things tech and travel. Visual, end screen with links to subscribe and watch other videos.
Upbeat outro musique fadine. ***.
Host * thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.